Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to set a webhook inside Zoho landing page. So Zoho landing page is a tool that helps you create high converting landing pages without any coding skills. It's designed to capture leads, promote products or drive specific actions on your website. People use Zoho landing page because it offers easy drag and drop editing, customizable templates, and built-in analytics to track how well your page is performing. Whether you're running a marketing campaign, launching a new product, or collecting sign-ups, Zoho landing page makes it simple to build professional-looking pages that grab attention and get results. So in this video, we are going to understand that how you can automate the Zoho landing page using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So by building a connection between Zoho landing page and Pabbly Connect, we can transfer the data from our Zoho landing page to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. So here let's suppose that I have created a form using Zoho landing page, and here I want that whenever I'm receiving a new lead or a new form submission through Zoho landing page, then automatically I want to receive that lead details or the form submission on my Slack channel as well. So here to build this connection, I need to build a connection between my Zoho landing page and my Slack channel so that I can automate this entire process. So for that, firstly, I need to connect my Zoho landing page with Pabbly Connect, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use the type of integration that is Webhook. So Webhook is going to act as a bridge between Zoho landing page and Pabbly Connect in order to transfer the data from Zoho landing page to Pabbly Connect. Or you can say that webhooks are like an instant messenger for apps. So here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our connection by simply setting up a trigger over here. So here in our trigger step, we are going to select our trigger application as Zoho landing page. So I'm going to select it. And then here, after selecting my trigger application, here it is asking me to select the trigger event. So here I'm going to select my trigger event as form submission, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through my Zoho landing page, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through my Zoho landing page, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And here you can see, after selecting my trigger event, I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Zoho landing page with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Zoho landing page. So you can see my account, and here in my Zoho landing page account, here under pages you can see the page that I have created with the name Papson. So here I'm going to click on this three dots given over here, and from here I'm going to click on this edit page option given over here. Now here under this edit page option, what we are going to do is that we are going to select the option of integrations over here. And here under integration, we are going to select the type of integration that we are going to use, that is webhooks over here. Now here under webhooks, I'm going to select new webhook over here in order to set up a new webhook inside my Zoho landing page. So I'm going to click on it, and here you can see a create a new webhook dialog box has appeared in front of us, and here it is asking me to give the name. So I'm going to give the name as new form submission, and then here it is asking me for the description. So here this description is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank, and then here it is asking me for the URL. So here I'm going to enter the URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the URL, and here you can see that my URL contains HTTPS over here. So I'm going to remove it because here it is already selected over here. So here I'm going to remove it from my URL, and then here for the method I'm going to select the method as post over here, and here for the authentication type I'm going to select no authentication. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this create button given over here, and here you can see we have successfully created a webhook with the name new form submission over here. And now I'm going to click on the start button given over here, and by clicking on this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Zoho landing page. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to do a test form submission in our Zoho landing page. So for that, let me take you back to my Zoho landing page. So this is my Zoho landing page, and here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number, and now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And here you can see it says you have successfully submitted the form. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the phone number of our lead. Here you can see the last name as user, first name as dummy, and the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up a connection between our Zoho landing page and Pabbly Connect. So once we have set up this connection, then whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our Zoho landing page, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. And then further, you can transfer this data to any other application by simply connecting that application with Pabbly Connect in this action step given below. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Zoho landing page. I hope these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.